listen the message coming from the Father or Ama po ng ating barangay. Ladies and gentlemen, isang malakas na palakpakan for Kapitan Longhino Oji Del Mundo.
Hello, magandang gabi po. Wala bang hashtag yan? Wala bang hashtag? Hashtag ko lang siguro ay disiplina, pakikisa, at malasakit. Wala pa po sa ating kabarangay. Muli po, isang magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Unang-una po, siyempre, congratulations po sa bumubuo po ng ating SK sa pangunguna po ni SK Garen sa kanyang mga nagawat. Sa lahat po ng mga bumubuo ng events at organizer sa ating pong binibini at binundarangan, congratulations po sa napakagandang palabas na ibinigay niyo po sa ating pong mga kabarangay ngayong gabi. Siyempre sa ating pong mga hurado, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Salamat at kayo po'y naging bahagi ng ating palabas ngayong pong gabi. Bali ito po yung last na palabas sa ating pong mahal na patron na St. Bernard para po sa ating mga kabarangay. At muli po sa lahat po ng mga kandidato at kandidata, advance congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Muli po, isang mapagpalang gabi sa ating lahat at alam kong sabik na kayo kung sino mananalo ngayong pong gabi. Basta't puro po sa akin, lahat po ng kandidato at kandidata ay panalo po kayong lahat. Muli po, magandang gabi at sama-sama po tayo.
Thank you very much, Kapitan Longhino Oji Del Mundo, of course, our barangay captain, and at this point in time, and of course, to give his message para po sa inyo lahat. He is the Committee Chair on Cultural Affairs of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Darangan. Please welcome Honorable Ray Mendoza.
Yesterday, there was a news about the thunderstorm. And it comes to my mind na every year na lang po ba, merong masamang bagyo na parating sa ating barangay. But as optimistic as I can be, I see it as a way of God's blessings, of showing us His love and support. But tonight, I think God has a better way of showing us love. Hindi man po umulan ngayong gabi, pero bumuhos po ng pagmamahal at suporta niyong mga kabarangay dito sa event ng Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay Darangan. I also want to take this moment to acknowledge the efforts and His priceless mind to come up with a beautiful event like this. Mga kabarangay ko, maaari ba nating palakpakan ang Head Director ng Ginoo at Binibining Darangan na si Mr. Jello Clerio, na kung hindi dahil sa kanya ay wala tayong ganito every year. I also want to thank our punong barangay, Kap Oji Del Mundo, for always showing us love and support. At yun na rin po sa SB member. Siyempre, hindi po mawawala at hindi magkakaroon ng ganitong projects ang SK Council ng Barangay Darangan, kundi dahil sa support ng aming butihing SK Chairperson na si Rosel Margaret Godoy. At andyan rin po, of course, ang pamilya ng SK para pagbibigay ng support sa lahat. This event would not be amazing without the blessings that have been given by all the sponsors na narito. Mga sponsors, with all my heart, maraming salamat po. And also to the 5 judges in front of me, thank you so much for giving us your time and effort for having to celebrate the beauty and wit of Barangay Darangan. Lastly, I want to take this opportunity to give message to all the candidates back there. Know that if the things doesn't happen in the way you want it to be, know that better way will happen than imagine. Just believe and trust that this is God's way of guiding farther future. Muli, this is SK Kagawad Ray Mendoza. Ang buong pamilya ng Sangguniang Kabataan ng Larangan ay binabati kayo ng Happy Fiesta at magandang gabi po.
Thank you very much to our contestant number 12.
Maraming
Thank you so
salamat
much.
ang napakasipag na SK Kagawad Ray Mendoza, Honorable Ray Mendoza, and to whole SK Council. Maraming salamat po. And as we continue our competition, ready na po ba kayo for the next segment?
Alright, but before we continue or before we proceed to the last segment of the pageant, we would like to say thank you to Fast Beats Internet Service Provider, Boundless Endless.
Wow, thank you again, Fast Beats Internet Service Provider. Maraming salamat po. And thank you also to Williams Tapsilugan, open Tuesday to Sunday, 5 p.m. to 4 a.m. Mabato Street, Binibira, Binangonan, Rizal. Maraming salamat.
Yes, and syempre we would like to invite everyone for the grand screening of the upcoming Mr. and Miss Teen Binangonan 2025 on August 24. Ayan, magkita-kita po tayong lahat.
Maraming salamat po. And as we mentioned,